Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Codecademy Go app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Codecademy Go is a companion app to Codecademy's web-based learning platform, aimed at helping users continue coding practice and concept reinforcement while on the move. The app offers daily flashcards, coding quizzes, and review sessions in programming languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and more. It's designed to support consistent learning habits without requiring a full desktop environment. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate how easy it is to review key concepts during short breaks or commutes. The interface is clean, the lessons are digestible, and it complements the main platform well. The bite-sized format helps reinforce what you've already learned, and the daily streak feature motivates regular practice. That said, it's not a complete coding app. You can't write or run full programs inside the app, and it doesn't replace the full web version of Codecademy. Some users wish there were interactive projects or coding challenges instead of just flashcards. The free version is quite limited, and most features are locked behind a paid subscription. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Codecademy Go is a useful learning aid for reinforcing coding concepts on the go, especially if you're already enrolled in Codecademy courses. It's not meant for full-scale coding but does a solid job of helping you stay consistent. If you're looking for a full mobile coding experience, you might need to explore other apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.